best day ever.
9K.
I'm not drinking.
38,000 feet in. All coming up some volleyball.
Critters, we are in LA finally, and now it is about that time to get dialed in. Right now we're waiting on Tim. From there straight to the BNB, Anaheim. Here we come. Let's go, boys. Traders, welcome back to another Relentless vlog. The boys, we are outside, and yes, you know I'm repping that Relentless Trader merch. We are outside and we are in CA, the beautiful CA.
All right, so we made it here to the mansion in Beverly Hills. I'm gonna ask this guy, what the hell is he doing for a living? How was he able to afford this mansion here in LA? Just parked my little car right there, and now let's go in and see what's up. Follow me along. Hey, hello, sorry to bother you. I was just curious, man. What the hell do you do for a living?
Hey, what's up? I am an entrepreneur. There's a couple of different things that I do. One, I day trade stocks. Two, I offer some educational services. Three, I own a very active chat room. And of course, many, many more things, including sponsorships, merchandise, and a few more things.
That's amazing. Would you be able to give us a tour inside of the house?
You know what? Today is your lucky day. Why not? Come on in. Enter into my crib. Day trading 101. This is how it's done.
A few moments.
Alright guys, day trading 101. This is how it's done, alright? Stock is going up, stock is going up. Wait for the consolidation. Do not chase, do not buy high. Map out the previous low, use that as your risk. You're long down here. This is the buying point. Squeeze, get out before the algos start to sell. Never average down, guys. If the stock goes like this, cut the loss immediately, alright? See you on the side of profitability.
Marcelo, show us. So first, you start buying within the range, right? You let people red to green stop out, but when he finally stops out, yep.
Traders, we are here in San Diego, California. Right now we're at the beach. We got Tim, we got Marcelo. Yes, sir. It's looking like a beautiful day so far. I just had some lunch. We can walk right now, walk it off. Picking up girls.
I said what I said.
Was with RT.
And I meant what I said.
Relentless Riz.
Okay.
Period.
This. Time to go racing.
On the G, I jump into the bloody bottoms is underneath the street. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember beating them all with the whole team.
YouTube, what's good? Right now we're at the beach. We got Mighty, we got Crispy, we got Tim. We're having a good time. The boys are getting tan. We got some spike ball coming up, some volleyball coming up. Right now we big chillin', man. Big chillin'. All right, time to see who the unlucky bastard is.
His name shouldn't.
This guy.
Yeah, no, here in the corner.
God bless.
Who's that? Is that him? Oh, bit the bullet.
It's alright, he's a baller.
You guys say.
Guys are chowing down. 4th of July. Happy 4th of July, brothers. Right now, Crispy is on the grill.
Yes, sir. Grilling up for the boys.
Grilling up for the boys.
Because he's the most American out of all of them.
Happy 4th, guys.
I wanna go to school. Yes,
Stay in school, ladies and gentlemen.
Don't do it to me! Did not.
Oh, so close.
The tens.
That was good. That was good.
Close.
That was good. Jeez.
I mean, it's still good. Like,
Yeah, absolutely. That was still good.
Yeah.
You could have got a 3. And that is a W.
Sabe, how much did you make today?
Still making bread, but I'm up 3K.
Crispy.
9K.
Tim.
Best day ever. 4,400.
Drew.
4K.
Marcelo.
3,200.
And the pastor.
2,500, baby.
We got the folds, and we got the pastor.
Each pump equals 1 green day. Let's go, baby.
Big workout today.
Ready to dial in. Ready to get aggressive. Ready to size up with this plate.
The boys are out for some ribs. Baby back ribs, beef rib, everything.
Those are real ones. So we can try this one. Do you guys have one?
Yeah, no, I never worked.
Dude, that was quick. Alright, they're gonna get a nice tip. Best service in the world. Best service in the world. Alright, the boys are about to run some pool or maybe billiards, depending on where you're from.
Small pool table you've ever seen, but alright.
Aim for solid, Marcelo.
What? That's not good.
Good thing you guys are better at trading than you are at pool. Oh no. Way too hard, man. Nice shot. You gotta stay spontaneous. Keep them on their toes. It's like he might just be going for the comeback. Game over. Timothy Hines lose. Marcelo Estrada winner.
Oh, say less.
Easy, like Sunday morning.
Ready. Nice.
Marcelo, how much did you make today?
$3,000.
Tim,
1,500.
Crispy,
6,000.
Tate,
1,100.
and the pastor dialing in with $900.
We're at the courts. Marcelo getting hydrated. Drew looking fine. And then there's Tim. Thank you, Tim.
Outside to play some b-ball.
Fuck! Second.
Boys are heading to the casino. We're gonna show them how to day traders.
Gotta pay for the trip somehow, right?
Oh man. We finally made it to the casino.
Representing the culture.
Culture, baby. It's almost that time. We're about to go win. All right, time for some epic wings, baby. Oh yeah.
Time for some wings. Who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready?
encontramos ahorita en SeaWorld con los bros. Estamos a punto de gastar todos nuestros trading profits en roller coasters y en shows de ballenas. Espero que sea muy magnífico. Como pueden ver, estamos explorando SeaWorld San Diego with the boys.
So I'm gonna need all the help I can get. So everybody,
It's that time.
Last night in San Diego, and the boys are at the San Diego Tuna Harbor Naval Base. Check out that battleship back there, aircraft carrier, man. The SS Mississippi, out of commission, but still armed and dangerous.
Good afternoon, this is your captain speaking with just a little flight information coming up on...
For those of you on YouTube watching on, here is some encouragement, some inspiration. Guys, you gotta grind. I'm studying charting 38,000 feet in the air. It doesn't get any more dedicated than that. Wherever you go, your laptop can go with you, and you can study, you can put in the work, you can grind. And it helps when you have that beautiful window seat. Shout out to our boy, Crispy Trades.
What's up, guys?
We are flying first class, heading back home. Beautiful trip, guys. Stay tuned. Remember, coupon code Independence for MMU, 40% off. Guys, what a beautiful trip it was. I'll catch you guys later.